Congratulations, your slide deck is polished. Module 8 is our dress rehearsal. Perfect timing, smooth navigation and bulletproof Q&A. So firstly, open up Gamma's presenter view. On one screen you'll see the slide, on the other your speaker notes and a running clock. I always recommend setting a 15-minute timer on your phone. You're aiming for about 90 seconds per slide, and the timer keeps you honest as you start to practice. If your overall pitch finishes with just over 2 minutes to spare, you could try just adding a brief recap. And of course, if you're over, you need to trim a bullet or so and try again. Slide navigation shortcuts. Practice using the backwards and forwards buttons or the up and down, whichever ones you prefer. And practice jumping to any slide, which is helpful if the panel says, "Can we see your second strategy again?" It's important to think about your voice and body language. You could record a run-through with your webcam, and that allows you to watch out for variability in tone. You want to avoid being monotonous. Eye contact with the camera, not the slide, especially important if you're being interviewed online. And if you can carry out any natural hand gestures or movements within the frame. Anticipate the questions you might get asked. You could fire up your ChatGPT conversation one last time. Ask it to list 5 tough questions an interviewer might ask about these strategies and suggest some concise answers. You can rehearse these until they feel conversational and not scripted. Importantly, think about your contingency. Export your deck as a PDF and a PowerPoint from Gamma. Save it to cloud or USB, so if the Wi-Fi dies, you're still covered. You could email it to yourself or even print it off. So your final checklist. Make sure your time is ready and visible. Have your notes handy just in case as a comfort blanket. Having water within reach will help you if you have any dry mouth moments. Don't forget to take a moment, take a deep breath and smile. Center yourself before beginning. You now own a repeatable zero to deck workflow and the rehearsal habits to deliver it flawlessly. Good luck, you've got this.